Hi, I'm Dr. Omar Ibrahim, and I'm a board certified dermatologist at Chicago Cosmetic Surgery and Dermatology. Now, today I wanted to talk to you about cellulite. We'll talk about what it is, and I wanted to introduce a brand new treatment called Resonic. Now, the most exciting part is we actually did some of the earliest studies with Resonic, the new cellulite device, here at CCSD, and so we're very familiar with the technology. So first of all, let's start with talking about cellulite. So what is it? Cellulite affects approximately 82 million women, and it is characterized by this rippling of the skin and this dimpling of the skin, causing unevenness that can affect the buttocks and the thighs. So it is very common, it's genetic, and it is multifactorial. So what does multifactorial mean? It means that it can be exacerbated and caused and worsened by several factors. This includes aging, weight gain, but most importantly, it is primarily caused by these fibrous bands that we call septa that tether your skin down. So they pull your skin down, and then the fat around these septa actually bulge up. And this is why we get sort of that cottage cheese appearance of the buttocks and the thighs sometimes. And this is why we get the dimples, is because those bands are pulling down on the skin. And over time, with skin changes and loss of collagen, these bands get stiffer. And so the cellulite can look worse over time. So let's talk about the treatment of cellulite. So cellulite is very tricky to treat. Why? Because it's caused by a multitude of things, as we discussed. Now, some treatments involve injections, some involves physically going underneath the skin and cutting those bands that we talked about. There are creams, there are devices, there are lasers. Some of these procedures come with significant downtime, including bruising, swelling, pain, and sometimes even time off work. Now, the reason we're so excited about Resonic is not only because it's the latest and the greatest when it comes to treating cellulite, but it also comes with minimal downtime, no need to take off of work, and no bruising and very minimal pain. So let's talk about Resonic specifically. So Resonic harnesses the power of sound. So what does that mean? They use rapid acoustic pulse wave technology. So sound frequencies at high frequencies, very powerful, that are transmitted through the skin. So the device actually touches your skin, and then when those sound waves enter the skin, they physically actually change the septa that are pulling down on the skin, and they actually disrupt that. Now, this may sound painful, but it really is not. Average pain in the studies was maybe a 1 out of 10. Some patients actually fell asleep in the clinical trials. So that being said, it is a very comfortable treatment.
How are you doing? Are you feeling okay?
Good.
Okay, awesome. It's pretty comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
The treatment can also be combined with other treatment options when it comes to treating cellulite, including injectables, including fillers, and including other laser treatments. Because again, cellulite is multifactorial and it may require multiple treatments and multiple sessions of different devices and different injectables. Another pleasant side effect of the Resonic is actually the building of collagen. What we saw in the studies was the Resonic device, once applied to the skin, several weeks up to 6 months later, we saw an increase in collagen, tightening of the skin, and improvement in the appearance of cellulite. So what's great about Resonic? So Resonic is, as I mentioned, virtually painless. You can get significant results in just one treatment. It's a relatively quick treatment and minimal downtime. After each single treatment, you'll maybe have a little bit of redness for an hour or so, if that. No bruising, no swelling, and no need to take time off from work. Now, what did the results show in the studies? The studies show that after a single treatment, there was over a 93% satisfaction rate and significant improvement, again, after single treatment. Each treatment takes about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the treatment area. So overall, we're super excited to have Resonic as part of our treatment armamentarium in treating cellulite. We have all kinds of devices, we have all kinds of injectables, and this is going to be a game changer when it comes to treating stubborn cellulite. But of course, to figure out the best treatment for you and the best treatment combinations for you, please speak with your board certified dermatologist today. So if you're interested in a consultation with us, please give us a call at 312-245-9965.